Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about IBPS SOIT 2024 mains and final cutoff. The cutoff has been in the similar range with not much variation over the past years. In the mains, there is only professional knowledge part where there are 60 questions of 60 marks. Mains has 80% weightage and interview has 20% weightage. This is the mains cutoff. For IT officer for unreserved category, the cutoff was 16.5 out of 60. And the final cutoff for IT officer for unreserved category was 47. If you see over the past years, this has been the mains and final cutoff. 2024 16.5, 2023 14.75, 2022 13.75, 2021 10.5, and the final cutoff has been in the similar range. Let's try to understand how this weightage affects the cutoff. Let's say a student got 18 marks in the mains. We are taking in the round figure of 3. This is given 80% weightage, so divided by 60 since the score is out of 60 and multiplying it with 80. This becomes equal to 24. The weighted score of this student is 24. Now let's move to the interview. Even if the student gets 100 out of 100 in interview, this is given 20% weightage. This becomes equal to 20. The total score of this student is 44, which is very less than the overall final cutoff. The final cutoff was 47. So even if this student got 18 and was able to clear the mains exam, he was not able to clear the final cutoff. And it is very difficult to get 100 out of 100 in interview. So keeping this in mind, you will have to target high score in mains. You should be able to target somewhere 50% marks in the mains examination to have that understanding that you will be able to clear the final cutoff. And if you see this year in AFO, in law officer, the cutoff was very high. This mains or final cutoff can obviously vary depending upon the level of the exam, depending upon the competition, upon the understanding of the candidates. So you should be prepared to your highest level if you want to appear for IBPS SOIT 2025. The maximum score of student who got finally selected as IBPS SOIT officer was 69.8. Remember, the cutoff was 47. So rank 1 holder got 69.8. This is the range of score for selection as an IT officer, 47 to 69.8. I hope this gives you an idea. Prepare to your best level if you are targeting IBPS SOIT 2025 exam. That's all for now. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.